Welcome to another video. And this video, I'm finally taking to the car to that one place I couldn't remember the name of it in the last video, and it's a Dyno. That is correct. After doing heavy research in Google and trying to find out what the name it is, it's called a Dyno. So that's what it is. This whole time I thought it was just called a treadmill for cars. So hopefully this comes, so right now it's Saturday as I'm recording this. Hopefully this coming week I'll be able to go ahead and schedule the dyno, set a day, and it'll probably be maybe on a Friday, I think. And so cause it's only open Monday through Friday, so I'll have to get permission to leave early from work. And yeah, then finally put the car on the dyno. I'm super excited to finally do it. I have been asked this a lot, especially when I was in Texas. What does it make, this and that? But the thing is, I didn't know, because where I was in Texas, there was no all-wheel drive dynos. There's only rear wheel or front wheel, whatever, dynos. So that was, and the closest all-wheel drive one was about 3 hours away, and I don't think the wife would be too fond of that, me going on a 3 hour, well actually a 6 hour long trip just driving, and then how long it takes to be at the dyno itself. So that definitely would have been an all-day event, and I don't think my wife would be too happy about that. So right now I'm driving to go get the S4, because I'm going to a Cars and Coffee. So I'm going to get the S4, put the car seat in, because I'm going to take my kiddo with me. And it's definitely going to be a nice, cool father-son moment, getting to see other cars. So I'm super excited. And it's been a while since I've been to a Car and Coffee. So there'll be a variety of different cars. Alright, so as you can hear, I have the car warming up right now. It is a little cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the car warm up. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the car seats, so from the Q7 to the S4. Then after that, I'm gonna leave here and then go pick up my kiddo, and then from there, go to the Cars and Coffee. So we are here at the Cars and Coffee, presented by Adams Polish. You can see over the distance. Got my kiddo with me, and there is so far quite a bit of good cars, and it's nice and cool day today, so I'm definitely enjoying the weather. Right here, parked next to another fellow B7 driver, Navant Amola, next to my wannabe Nardo car.
Yeah. Is that the original steering wheel?
Yeah, but I put it.
Oh, okay.
It's like it's really skinny.
Pretty sweet Volkswagen, has a boxer engine in the back. Skyline, definitely one of the favorite body styles I like a lot. It's pretty sweet. Has a headlight out to get straight air. That's pretty sweet. I actually love this color combo. This is actually really nice. I really like the bronze wheels with this kind of, I don't know what the correct red color shade this is, but white interior is really nice. Those seats are really nice. They look very futuristic. Oh, a race car. Got the red B5 parked next to me. There's Jacob's car. She was talking to him all of the week before. He got himself a carbon fiber wrap the hood. Not wrap, a hood paint, the real legit. Not fake like what's on my car. And also the side fenders as well.
Yeah, I love the
What's up, little dude? What's up, buddy?
You doing out of your book Sunday?
Oh, we're gonna try to go.
it's a big day today. It is Dyno Day. So I've been waiting for this day for a very long time. Originally, it's supposed to happen on last Friday, but due to weather that happened on Wednesday, I didn't want to chance it because I didn't know if the roads would still be with snow on it on Friday, but gave it the weekend, the snow to melt, and today's Monday, and the roads are nice and clear and dry, so I don't have to worry about the weather or the tires being wet on the rollers. All right, I arrived to the dyno place. I am very nervous and excited at the same time because I never put one of my cars on the dyno before, so this will be a totally new experience for me. So all right, let's see what numbers we get. All right, taking car onto the ramps. Strapped up, guys working on the front, and it's of any concern, it is a Mustang dyno. You can see the little banner right there, and right there. Alright, car is fully strapped on. Yeah, so he's gonna go ahead and start doing some pulls. I don't know what exactly he has to do, but I'm sure he has to communicate with the computer. Alright, we're rolling. So right now they're letting the car cool down for its third and final pull. So we've done 2 pulls so far, and so far I'm liking the results, and especially you gotta keep in count. It's only 7 pounds of PSI. I'm here at altitude, so if I was down in Texas, it'd be a whole lot different number for sure down in Texas. Not to worry, I will give you guys the numbers, but I just want to wait for the third pull, you know, just to verify that all 3 pulls are very consistent. After the cool down, then obviously, like I said before, we'll do that third and final pull. And I know I like my car to be loud, but holy moly, when you're like right behind the exhaust, it is super loud. Like, I mean, amazingly loud to be exact. So I'll definitely get another on the third pull. I'll be behind the car, and you guys can hear just how loud. I mean, the speakers isn't going to do its justice. Hopefully it doesn't distort the sound on the audio, but it is ridiculously loud, and it's amazingly loud and beautiful sound, of course. the dyno. That sound never gets old. Right, so I am back from the dyno, and I'm sure the moment you guys have been waiting for. What did it do on the dyno? So, on the dyno, are you guys ready for this? I'll post in the next episode of the dyno results. So thank you for watching this video. Just kidding. It'll definitely be on this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a screenshot on the screen real quick so you guys can see for yourself the graph on a Mustang dyno. All right, so there is the screenshot. So right now, so I did a total of 3 pulls. Both pulls got 400, let me see this, 460, Jesus, I can't even think about it, 460 wheel horsepower to the wheels, and then the third pull was 466. So after that 15-minute little cool down, we were able to get 600, not 600, I wish, 6 more wheel horsepower out of the car. So there are things I want to be completely transparent here. So obviously is the altitude. The altitude, you know, it could definitely, I totally believe this could be in the 500s with this kit. If, I think 2 things, maybe 3 things. One is the altitude. If I was at sea level, I think this will definitely be in the maybe the low 500s, maybe mid 500s. That's just my totally personal guess. Again, I'm not too sure on that. And also the fuel. So technically, even though I say E85, the fueling here, I've done the test on a little E85 tester. It's actually E70. So right now the car is tuned at E70, so it's not tuned at E85. So I have to go to a special gas station here in Colorado to get actually true E85. So right now, what was in the car was E70. So and like I said, the car is tuned at E70. And then the third thing is a very minimal, but it's the tune itself. So it can still be fine-tuned just to calibrate again. Once I find that E85, then the car can be tuned to 85 to E85 and not to E70. So I mean the tune and the fuel itself will definitely change a huge if you're at sea level. So the only things I can change here at altitude is the fuel, get E85, and then kind of do some more logs with the E85 and then see, you know, kind of go off of those numbers and see it'll probably maybe be in the high 400s, or maybe just, you know, who knows, you know, how that much of a difference, how E15 of a difference, if that makes sense, from E70 to E85 makes, and also the tune, how much of a difference that would make. And I'm so happy to finally put it on the dyno and to see what this car is making on the dyno. With all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's definitely been a fun video to me to finally record this video, and because I know a lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, how much does it make, you know, what's it making on the dyno? So there's your answer. 466 is the max wheel horsepower that this car made at the conditions that I am in right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks.